Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, this is James. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Corolla and Sedan 2009. This one comes with the factory standard radio before, and at this moment, it's already been perfectly fit, adjust, and tune up with a premium 9-inch package, including the high definition anti-glare super night vision reverse camera at the back end, perfectly aligned in the middle of the tailgate and at the best position. So firstly, look at the 9-inch system fit into the car. It's beautifully positioned in the middle of the dash and nicely fit with everything that we could for the model like this with a big 9-inch screen. So initially it was discussed with the 7-inch, but we actually end up with the 9-inch fitting, and the good thing is it is beautiful. Definitely it is very beautiful. 9-inch application will be big, navigation will be big, and the system here will be awesome to run, on the big screen. And how about the reverse? If you know that the reverse camera on this screen will be just as brilliant as the small tablet or small television that you see at home, that's the one in the daytime. In the nighttime is super clear, super detailed. So Toyota Corolla 2009 with the 9-inch package, premium one, and including the front dash camera that we actually fit right in the front here with the full HD hidden front dash camera over here. Okay, so this one is full HD level, and that already ready to go, ready to run from the new head unit. So easy, so good. Already been tested, already get some phone call through, clear and ready to be picked up. So thanks again for watching, and if you like our work, please feel free to click subscribe button. We appreciate that, and we are looking to see more and more video like this coming up on our YouTube channel. So thanks again, see you in another one.